What would you grab if you had to leave your house in 30 seconds? Yes, and you could only take one firearm? That question nags at a lot of people these days, and it's exactly why we're doing this. I'm Chris, and today we're breaking down 6 guns you should seriously consider owning right now. Practical, proven, and useful across real scenarios from everyday carry to bug-out situations. This isn't a fancy-pants gear spreadsheet or a hype video filled with buzzwords. These are real tools for real people. Conceal carry solutions, compact carry alternatives, pistol caliber carbines for the bag, a true survival rifle, and the all-around fight tool everyone already trusts. I'll tell you what each one does best, what to watch out for, and who should prioritize it. If you care about your safety and want options that won't make you regret it later, stay with me. Now let's get into it. At number 1, the concealed carry pistol you should seriously check out, the Knick Prime. If you want a single gun that does a lot, this is the one a lot of people are choosing. It's a compact striker-fired 9mm with a 3.6-inch barrel, a built-in compensator, and a grip that lets you get a high purchase without feeling boxy in smaller hands. That compensator isn't a toy. It actually tames muzzle flip, so follow-ups are quicker and more confident. Capacity is generous for a compact, 17+1 in a package narrower and lighter than a Glock 19, and the trigger on the Prime has a soft, fast reset that makes accurate doubles and triples feel easy. For a concealed carry gun you'll actually carry every day, the Prime balances recoil, size, and capability in a way that makes training payoff immediate. If you only buy one carry gun this year and you want a blend of modern features and predictable ergonomics, this is a top pick. Keep in mind, you'll want to spend time on drawstroke practice and holster selection. A great pistol still needs the right carry system to be effective. At number 2, for deep concealment, and for the folks who want the smallest practical package, the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0 and 380. Don't let the 380 cartridge scare you. In a gun this small, shot placement matters more than ballistic fantasy. This pistol is insanely pocketable and lighter than a smartphone with a really thoughtful trigger and surprisingly decent sights for the class. It's the kind of pistol you'll actually carry walking the dog, on a jog, or under shorts in summer. Situations where a full-size gun is a burden, not an option. The Bodyguard carries 10 in a magazine and ships with a spare, which means your concealed loadout can stay practical. For smaller statured people and those who demand absolute concealability, this little gun gives you a credible, shootable option that won't be a pain to practice with. If you go this route, commit to dry fire and magazine change practice. Making hits with a 380 at close distances is doable, but training is the multiplier. At number 3, the pistol caliber carbine that changes how you think about mobility, the Springfield Kuna. Think MP5 ergonomics with modern improvements. Smooth roller-delayed operation, folding brace or stock options, ambidextrous controls, and packaging that collapses into a bag easily. If you want a compact long gun that takes 9mm and runs like a dream, this is it. The Kuna gives you the accuracy and control of a carbine while keeping logistics simple. Same magazines, same ammo as your 9mm carry gun for urban mobility, vehicle defense, or a bag gun that won't slow you down on a hike. A PCC like the Kuna gives more hits per second and better first-shot accuracy than a handgun under stress. It's also extremely forgiving to new shooters. More points of contact equals faster learning curves. Yes, it's pricier than a basic AR, but the roller-delayed system's recoil impulse is amazingly soft and controllable. If you want a multi-role tool for home defense, convoy duty, or a compact PDW that nests in a backpack, the Kuna deserves a hard look. At number 4, the budget-minded pistol caliber carbine alternative, the Smith & Wesson FPC, and specifically the 10mm version if you want bite. The FPC is an affordable, foldable PCC that's reliable, compact, and incredibly adaptable. In 9mm, it's a workhorse. In 10mm, it brings near-rifle ballistics in a portable package. If you want a gun that's easy to carry, easy to conceal in a bag, and still gives you real terminal performance at intermediate ranges, the FPC checks a lot of boxes. It uses common magazines, M&P style, tolerates lots of ammo types, and can be run suppressed if you want stealth. For bug-out bags and truck guns where you need compactness plus stopping power, this one's a sleeper, especially when you want one pattern of of ammo to feed both your carbine and other platforms. If you choose the 10mm variant, be prepared for more recoil than a 9mm PCC, but also for much better capability against heavier threats or when you need serious penetration. At number 5, the survival and training rifle, the Ruger 1022 in a Magpul chassis. If you're building a kit for long-term resilience, a 22 LR rifle belongs in that plan. The 1022 platform is affordable to shoot, simple to maintain, and the new chassis builds give you a rifle that's accurate enough for small game and inconceivably cheap to feed. In a collapse or long-term scenario, being able to harvest food with quiet, plentiful ammunition is a massive force multiplier. The Magpul chassis versions add ergonomics, better optics mounting, and real shooting comfort so you can practice easily and build actual skill without breaking the bank on ammo. For training, there is no better tool to log thousands of quality reps, and for survival, the light, quiet, and abundant 22 is a practical advantage. If you want a single long gun that lets you stretch your practice budget and helps you put food on the table, a 1022 in a modern chassis is the smartest buy in this list. At number 6, the rifle that still wins for everything else, a solid AR-15 like the Radical Arms or a comparable budget build. The AR platform is the most versatile tool for defense, hunting at modest ranges, and general preparedness. It's modular, parts are everywhere, and 5.56 223 ammo is widely available, which matters when logistics become the deciding factor. For the money, a well-built Radical or a Smith & Wesson Sport gets you a mid-length gas system, a usable trigger, M-lock handguard, and standard controls that any shooter can learn quickly. The AR gives you range, capacity, and controllability in a package that's easy to accessorize: lights, optics, sling setups, and more. If you can only have one fighting rifle, an AR balances weight, ammo availability, and adaptability like nothing else. Yes, pricier builds exist and they're nicer, but for pure function and the ability to maintain it in the field, a sound mid-grade AR is an unbeatable workhorse. Before I close, a few practical notes that change how these guns actually perform in your hands. First, training beats gear every single time. Buy the gun you'll actually train with. Second, magazines and ammo commonality will save your life. Pick platforms that share calibers and mags when possible. Third, accessories matter only after fundamentals. A bad draw or poor sight alignment won't be fixed by a fancy optic. Finally, maintenance is not optional. A clean, lubricated firearm with fresh springs and good magazines is far more dependable than a pristine but neglected collector piece. So here's the real question I want to hear from you. Which of these 6 would you prioritize if you could only pick one this year? The carry gun that you actually carry every day, the deep pocket tiny gun, the compact PCC, the heavy-hitting PCC option, the survival 22, or the do-everything AR? Drop your pick and why in the comments. I read them all. And if you liked this breakdown and want the shop list for holsters, mags, and ammo that fit each of these picks, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss the follow-up video where I show the kit for each gun. Stay trained, stay deliberate, and I'll see you next time.